So I've already done a couple of videos on how to sleep when you have neck pain and hip pain. So I figured it was about time to do one on how to sleep when you have back pain. So on this installation of PT tips and tricks, I'm going to show you a few positions to use if you're having back pain. So we'll start with sleeping on your side. And remember, the same things apply as do with the neck. So we still want to have the entire spine in a fairly neutral position. So what we want to do is make sure to put that towel roll inside the pillow or bunch the pillow up to support the neck, okay? In terms of the legs, what you want to do when you're on your side is place a pillow between your legs. What this does is this keeps the spine in a neutral position and keeps the pelvis in line with the spine. When we don't have that pillow, that leg comes down and that spine can roll and twist forward. I'm going to show you a view of that from the back also so you can see the position of the spine. Okay, so without the pillow, notice how this can roll forward and the spine has more of a curve. And with the pillow, just like this, everything's nice and in line. Now, for those of you who like to lie on your back, one of the most important considerations is the hip flexor muscle, which goes from your low back to the inside of your thigh. When your legs are all the way flat down, that muscle can be put on a stretch, which pulls on your low back. So what we want to do if you're going to lie on your back is place a small pillow under both legs to bend those legs up a little bit and take some tension off of the low back. Now, for those of you who like to sleep on your stomach, and for those of you who already know me, I'm going to say just don't sleep on your stomach. I did it for years and loved it. It's very hard on the neck and low back. So I would recommend changing that. I hope you found this helpful. And please reach out if you have any questions or any further things that you'd like us to discuss on PT tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.